Another use case for ChatGPT is to generate video scripts. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to generate a quick 2-minute video script using ChatGPT. I do have ChatGPT Plus. It's not required. You can use the free version to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to enter in my prompt. Please create a 2-minute video script on how to write better content for your blog. The good thing about ChatGPT is not only does it tell you what to say, it also shows you what should be displayed on your screen as you're presenting. That way you get both the visual aspect of it as well as the right words. So here we have, in brackets here it's telling us, the opening shot should be your laptop screen displaying the blog, but the voiceover text, what the audio should be, and jumping from shots to shots over here. As you go through, one thing I noticed about the Plus version is that it's very fast in how it generates these the responses to any of the questions, and then you can go and take this and go and present. The other good thing too is you can go on a freelance site like Fiverr if you want to make like an explainer video. You can just send them this script and have them go and create all the visuals. It really cuts down the amount of time that it takes for you to generate videos, and it helps just automate the entire process and reduce the cost of now you no longer have to worry about writer's block, coming up with what to say, what to be showing on the screen as you say it. If you want to have slides in here with different content, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an outline of slides, to write the content on the slides for you. We'll show that in a later video. We don't want these videos to be too long, but definitely like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with any suggestions or questions you have, and we'll make future videos for it. Thanks.